Louis!
Jono, we're back. We're doing chat times again.
I love it already.
These debriefs. So we just spent a lot of time in this section talking about straight lines, linear relationships. Now, I've understood things about straight lines for a very long time now. Why do we spend all this time talking about straight lines?
Okay, so they're the queen of statistics. They are absolutely foundational. And the nice thing is, yeah, you understand straight lines already, but they recap all the basic ideas you want to get across. We're going to look at visualization. We're going to look at estimation of parameters. We're going to look at assumption checking and prediction. These are all methods that we're going to come back to again and again. And we're doing it in a safe place, basically. The other thing is they form the basis of everything we see from now on. We're going to do lots of fancy stuff, but at a deep level, they're straight lines.
It's straight lines all the way down.
All the way down.
We also spend a lot of time checking lots and lots of assumptions now. Why is it important to check the assumptions?
Well, when you think about it, we set out a model, and that model makes some assumptions. Normality, independence, linearity, homoscedasticity. And the problem is, if they're not right, your model's not right. Not sort of like, yeah, it's okay, but not right. And everything you try and use that for becomes just rubbish.
So I can see that there's probably degrees of not satisfying the assumptions, right? Like you might be close to, I can see something that's just a little bit not normal. There's a few points here that don't match.
Yep.
And there's grossly wrong. And so I understand grossly wrong, but can I get away with just something that's not quite normal, but it looks pretty good?
Yeah, yes and no. What I would say is you look at the assumptions, and as you say, it's not quite right. Go and look at other methods where you can get rid of that assumption. They may not be as powerful, but you can get rid of that assumption and then compare and contrast. If it makes a big difference, then your assumption, you're sensitive to it. If not, okay, you might get away with it.
And this is a theme that we'll come back to later when we talk about model selection and things like this.
Yeah, exactly.
So where are we heading to next?
At the moment, we've got a single predictor. Let's pump that up. Let's get more predictors first of all, and then we've got even further than that later.
Sounds good. There's a quiz first for the learners, but then we'll come back for modelling with multiple predictors.
See you then.
Cool.